I think what makes F9 special is that this character that was a bandit, that was a bandolero, that was an outlaw, is now a father, um, is a very interesting and engaging concept. We try to take themes in this saga that are important to us and we feel are important to the world and explore those themes. And that was really the objective, um, to continue from Fate of the Furious into this next chapter. And in this next chapter, although the overall theme is fatherhood, there are many interesting aspects of this storyline that are going to surprise the audience and unravel more of the identity of the characters that they feel they already know or they feel so familiar with. That's what's so fun about the evolution of the character, because it's something that we all can identify with. When we have children, the stakes are higher. When we have children, we have to care about the planet and the world and humanity in some way or another. And they see that everything he does, he has to consider um, the true source of his vulnerability, which is his child. That's the same in the wild. A lion is vulnerable because of its cub, and that's who Dom is. When I make Fast and Furious, there's not a moment that goes by that I don't think about my brother Pablo and the need for me to find a quiet place so I can have a hope of hearing his influence or hearing his advice, like I have grown accustomed to do over the last 2 decades. So when John Cena walked into my Dom shrine, uh, I said to him, to play a Toretto, you're going to have to be prepared to go to some dark places. And I believed him when he said, whatever it takes. And that day I posted on my Instagram, thank you, Pablo. I believe that when somebody um, is a part of this franchise, they're always a part of this franchise. And so it's very important for me to find ways and opportunities to revisit their characters and to allow their characters to play in the greater mythology. Aside from the fact that I just love Helen Mirren and I love working with her. And I feel very blessed and honored that I have the opportunity to work with her. And I did get my act together and I did put her in the movie. And I kept putting her, and I will continue to put her in the movie because I just love her so much. I feel so excited for the world to see the ninth chapter in the world saga. And I truly, 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 truly mean it when I say we hope to make you proud.